Anybody who's released from prison on life licence has to obey the conditions of that licence, which is that any change of circumstance must be reported to the probation officer. They must lead a law-abiding life, not associate with people who have been involved in criminal activity. So clearly something has happened in this case that's violated those rules. The most likely violations are that he might have been charged with a further serious offence, or his behaviour causes his supervisor such concern that he's thought to be a threat either to himself or more likely to the public, and therefore has been recalled to prison. The reason that it was made public is because a national newspaper got a leak and ran the story on the front page this morning, so the Ministry of Justice were therefore forced into making an announcement. Well, he currently, like all other lifers who are recalled, be held in a prison in England or in Wales. Within the next 28 days, there will be a hearing before 3 members of the parole board to determine whether the recall was justified. And he, like anybody else, will have the right to be at that hearing and present evidence. There'll also be a risk assessment, psychological tests, and so on. I have to say, it's rare for a decision to recall to be overturned by the parole board. If the decision is upheld, then in about a year's time the case will be reviewed again, but he will remain in custody until such time as the parole board think he's safe to be released.